What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today I'm here at Ayala Malls here at Vertis North to go to Titan and pick up two sneakers. So let's go! So guys, what's up? I'm here outside Titan. Apparently I couldn't do my vlog inside the store because they don't allow vloggers inside. So what I'm gonna do now is just take some still photos and some little bit of videos inside, but it's not gonna be a vlog. So actually what they told me is that I could do a vlog if I get a permit from their head office. So what I did was just send an email and hopefully they will reply to me with a positive note so that I could continue to do vlogs in their stores. So guys, I just came out from Titan here at Vertis North to get my stuff. Let's unbox these when I get home. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Instagram, we have Snapchat, and we have TikTok. Until next time.